like everything felt good, you know, through the chute, came around the corner, and went to go start the car up, wouldn't start, it was locked. Got out and had a look at it, and it was just water pouring out of the car, so we think we might have cracked the block. Water definitely got into the engine, won't turn over, so that's it for our weekend, unfortunately.
Oh my gosh! Where did you get that at?
What's that? So you gotta get Crew Chief Larry his iced tea, otherwise he gets grumpy. So you don't want a grumpy Crew Chief Larry. You can't race. We're gonna barbecue and drink beer. We'll barbecue, drink beer, and we're gonna support the rest of our team. Because, well, what else do you do at a racetrack if you can't race anymore? Really just gotta rub this in. Salt, pepper, garlic. That's it. That's typical Texas barbecue. Smell that salt, pepper, garlic in there. It's so good. It'll slap your mama. It's been one of my favorite Cajun seasonings. Yeah. That's salt,
I was trying to hold it.
Yeah. So a little bit of slap your mama. Process is number 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to kick off race day here at Rockingham Dragway, the 14th annual Skog and Dickey Park Center. All-Star Nationals presented by Miley Motorsports, who unfortunately was supposed to go up against Carl Tasca Sr. Go with Bill Skillman, see what he can do. Greenwood, Indiana, 19 COBRAJET Mustang. Last year's factory supercar champion. Out of the throttle early, 122 or 822. Bill Skillman will move on. Tripp Carter, Douglas Hamp. Doug out of York, Pennsylvania in the 2020 COPO CAMARO, Hoosier tire size, number 16 qualifier, and Tripp Carter, number 3 qualifier, Memphis, Tennessee in the 2019 COBRAJET. DP Racing Fuel left-hand lane. Side by side at round number 1. Win light, Tripp Carter, 784 on his side of the racetrack. Doug Hamp, 791. He had the reaction time advantage over Tripp Carter by just a little bit. Didn't hold it down the racetrack. Glenn Piieschke out of Bellevue, Florida, 2018 COPO Camaro, 15 qualifier, and Jeff Turk, Auburn, Kentucky, driving the Blackbird 2015 Dragpak Dodge. Oh, and a red light start for Jeff Turk. .795 at 179 miles an hour. Jeff Turk turned it red by a whole bunch. So they go into stage. Oh, look at the wheels up launch. Oh! Spun the tires awful hard when it set the front end down. AJ BERGE walks away with it, 789, 177 miles an hour. 2019 COPO. MARC HEIDINGS, Marco Island, Florida, 2021 Dragpak. Chevrolet versus Dodge. And something happened to Terry Monroe not even leaving the starting line. MARC HEIDINGS trekking toward the center. It's 813.5 at 172. Game's being played here. Right behind this. Oh, and Lindsay blows the tires off. Lee Hartman to the stripe, 798.5, 168 miles an hour. Alan Scruggs out of Madison Heights, Michigan, 21 Dragpak Dodge. Tony Scott with a beautiful lead. It's moving. 8:01 with a 2, 169 miles an hour from Tony Scott, and he gets the win at 8:31. A little soft to 60 foot. Touch the rev limiter down there. 825 at 168. Just going to take the beams. Not risk hurting any parts or pieces. Take the beams under power. That's all you have to do in order to move into the next round. Your factory supercar. And he does that, so he will be into the next round.
A simple process to just keep track of how many runs you have on the tires. So, you know, say you don't want to put any more than 15 or 21 runs on a set of tires when you lose track. If you make it a habit, every time you come back to your pit after your run, put a mark on your tire. You'll never forget it.
Lynn B in the left lane. Bellevue, Florida, 18 Chevrolet Camaro, Lee Hartman in the left lane, 21 Dragpak Hemi, 354 cubic inches, the right lane. Oh, lost the traction in the right lane. Lee Hartman's turning on a wind light. 795.5, 174 miles an hour. Oh, we got clean and green on both sides. Looks like we got us a drag race dead even at the mile an hour going for the 8. Left lane's moving on. There they go. Trina loses traction. The Ford Mustang's on a roll. .785 with a 9. 177 for Tripp. Moving on. Both sides green. Wheel stand in the left lane. Tony Scott. Oh, big smoke on the big end from the SKILLMAN machine. Big smoke, but he does take the win. 778 beats 799. We're going to have to look at that. Push him back, guys. Push him back. Once again, SKILLMAN runs through the big end. 142 miles an hour, 778 with a 9, but a huge plume of smoke. Number 1 qualifier right here, 772 at a 6, 179 miles an hour. Let's see what he can do to the heat of the day. There's the bumper on, the lights are dropped. There he goes. 97 on a tree. Gotta run hard out of the back door. 778 with a 4, 178. Still very close to what he qualified in. Dart in 8.10.5 coming around that corner. The 19 COBRAJET, left lane, Lee Hartman in a 21 Dragpak, right lane. Ollie EFI. Alright, red light on the left side, 008 for Lee. Tripp Carter's moving on 36. 785, 177 for Tripp Carter. up. Leading green, both sides. Dragpak's slipping and sliding just a little bit. Chuck Watson and the COBRAJET's going to move on. 776 with a 178. Attention in the pits, attention in the pit. Stock Eliminator heads up finals. Heads up, Stock Eliminator. Bruce ROHRS in the left lane out of Hicksville, Ohio with Dave Swanson. Side by 13th out. Dave Swanson runs 803. 803. Trip Carter out of Memphis, Tennessee. Right lane. Quarter-mile race. Your number 1 qualifier in the left lane. Your number 3 qualifier in the right lane. Cars in excess of 10,000 RPMs. Left lane, Trip Carter, right lane. Oh, Trip gives it away on the starting line. Chuck scoring a winner circle. 7:17, 179. Congratulations, Chuck Watson and team.
Hey guys, this is Dragpak Dennis. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment on the video. That'll let me know if you like what you're seeing. Take care all, we'll see you next time.